Guys, I am so happy today. This arrived. I'm so happy. Like, it feels so good.
Kind of like makes you want to go hypnotized when it spins, doesn't it?
Guys, I'm just so happy I got this today. And the bearings can't, like, the finger pads cannot come apart. And like you can totally see it spinning on this side and on this side. So, guys, I just got this on Amazon about like what?
You ordered it weeks ago.
But how much was it?
I don't remember. It was so long ago.
So I got this with my own money and comes in this snazzy case, and it just comes like this. But it's hard to get open.
Gotta get dressed, buddy.
I know. Guys, my Captain America fidget spinner is the best thing I could ever dream for. But I have one more on my over list. It is a wheel fidget spinner.
A wheel?
I'm getting it for Christmas.
Cool.
Because guys, so on each side you can totally see it spinning.
Yeah. Oh, good.
Okay, so here it is. So if you like that, leave a like on this video, and in the comments below in the comments below say if you have like a rare fidget spinner. It can be any one, but it can't be a normal one. It has to be one of the rare ones. And also, if you have a fidget spinner, just tell it in the comments, because you don't have to have a rare one. You can like a normal ones too, right? Right?
Of course.
So I think this is this was all made out of aluminum, steel, and as you can see on Anthony's channel, we did the the being a boozle challenge, and it didn't turn out very well because I got puke and I had the puke in the toilet for real. It didn't go so well. So guys, if you're going to a dinner like this, put the cap on so it won't get dirty. And when you're done, just slide it open and then boom, it's open. So guys, please, I know we can get over 1 million of views, and please get me to 1 million views or more, which will be great. And try and say in the comments that I'm sorry for your cat because it died yesterday and I had to watch it get buried. So. Why?
You're the best.
I told them that please can we get over 11 million views and say we're sorry for your cat that died yesterday.
37 men were killed.
Alright, I want to get dressed. Alright.
Okay, so guys, if you liked that video, smash that like button and get a hammer and smash that subscribe button and tap that bell icon to get entered into my description giveaway. So this will be in the description this month. It's gonna enter in the description in like 2 days. So get ready. It's gonna be on the internet all across the world. So guys, so if you like that video, give me a view because I only have 22 views, which is not a lot. So bye. Bye.